What's goody? It's your girl Bri MH back at it again with another hair install video. The hair in today's video was sent from Tinashehair. It came with this clip thingy. Wait, are they two separate clips? I think it's two separate clips, guys. I'm not even sure, to be honest. I didn't open it, but yeah. It came with that. Came with a tail comb. Came with some wig caps, some eyelashes. It also came with a edge brush and a bonnet. It also came with a little pamphlet thingy inside the box with a little hair care information. This is the wig straight out of the box. The color is so vibrant. There's the lace. I don't think it's HD lace, but honestly, it did the damn thing because the lace is like unclockable on my head. Yep, that's what it's giving. And yeah, I love the color. Oh my gosh, so bright. Jesus Christ, it's really bright. Yeah, here is me. And I'm just jumping right into the install. Still the same technique as always. One of these days, I'm going to try just putting the glue on my head and then just putting the wig on instead of cutting it first. But I don't know. I just like that technique better. I'm pretty sure that's the same technique that 𝐅𝐎𝐑𝐃 uses. I don't know. But yeah, just simply installing as I usually would, 3 layers of glue and letting it dry clear before I put the lace into the glue. But yeah, I don't really have much else to say. Just keep watching until you see the finished product. So unfortunately, I can't do a side part because the parting space on this is very limited. There's like this much parting space on the side, so it just doesn't make sense. I could do this pushover, but I don't like that. I don't like that. So we're gonna have to make a middle part work. And honestly, I feel like middle part is not looking good to me because of the baby hairs. Like, I don't know. It's giving... it just looks scary. But I'm gonna have to make it work still because the side part thing, that does not look cute. I'm gonna just do a middle part and just... Yo, my ears are huge. Has anyone else noticed that my ears are really big? I feel like normal people's ears, like the average ear is like this big. Why is mine this big? Huge ass ears, bro. That's scary. But yeah, anyways, yeah, we're gonna just like get into it. Okay, I had the idea to like cut this a little bit shorter and then put layers in it, but because I don't really like, I don't know if it's that I don't like it in the middle part or what, but I think I'm just gonna leave it like this so I'll just leave it the way it is instead of cutting it. But I really wanted to cut it though and do layers, but I just feel like it's gonna look weird. I think the baby hairs are too thick. I don't know, but I'm not feeling it right now. But anyways, I'm gonna get ready because might be going out, and then I'll show you guys how it looks with, like, you know, with my eyebrows and stuff done. And this hair won't stop sticking up. Like, what the fuck? But yeah, I'll be back. Okay, so this is the finished look. You guys can probably hear my dryer right now because the dryer is on, but this is the finished look. I decided not to cut it, but yeah, it's really, I don't know, I feel like this is really different for me because I haven't done color in a really long time, but I'm loving it. So shout out to Tinashehair if you guys would like to purchase this hair. The direct link will be in the description box. And yeah, let me know what you guys think. I love it. I love how it turned out. The deets and everything like that will be in the description box. I don't really know what else to say, but yeah, like, I don't know, I like it a lot. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.